Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you each and every one? Hopefully that you are okay. With you, Mr. Muhammad Jamal. Welcome in our new lesson 1-2. Understand whole number, place, value. Our objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, students should be able to understand the place value relationship. As you know, look at this. Here we have the ones period, thousands period, millions period. In ones we have ones, tens, hundreds. After this, the thousands, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. In the millions period, we have 1 millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. You should remember all of these place values. As you see here, we have a number written in a standard form. This form is called standard form. When the number is written like this, so this form we name it standard form. Here we have the ones, then the thousands, then millions. So this is 1,440,000. To write it in expanded form, this means to split it, to cut it, like 1 in the millions place, so I will write it 1 multiplied by million, because it's 1 million. Here we have 4, in which place? In the 100,000s place, so it's 4 multiplied by 100,000. Okay, plus here the other 4, it's in 10,000s place. Okay, and the other zeros, no need to just to write them. Yeah, if I want to write them as exponent, so the 1 will be multiplied by 10 to the power, as we studied in the previous lesson. Here we have how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. The other 4, it's multiplied also by 10, but to the power of 5, because here we have 5 zeros. Plus this 4 will be multiplied by 10, but it's what? To the power of 4. Okay, so this number is 1,440,000. Okay, so let's take another example. For example, here let's take a small number, because some student will feel that this is hard for them. We have here 219. Okay, this form is called standard, yes, form. Okay, if I need to write it as expanded form, I will split it as, yes, 200, because the 2 in the hundreds place, plus 10 plus 9. And this we studied in grade 4 before. If I needed to write it as in grade 5 way, which is exponent way, I will write it as 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2, because we have here 2 zeros, hundreds place, plus here there is 110, so it's 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, and the 9, just you can write 9. Okay, this form is called the standard form, and this one it's called expanded, yes, expanded what? Form. Also there is one more thing, it's called the number name or word form. We have here number name, yes. The number name, or you can name it as well word form, means to write it in letters, in words. So this is 219. I'm going to write it here in words. 2 119. Okay, so this is the three forms: standard form, expanded form, and the number name or the word form. Let's take one more question which will be more larger. Yes, a little bit bigger. We have here, let's make, yes, this number, comma, here 8 and here 9, and here is comma again, here 3 zeros. Yeah. Okay, if we need to read this number, here we have ones, here thousand, and here millions. So 8,000,089. This is called what? It's called which form? Standard form. Standard form. Okay, if I need to write it in expanded form, I'm going to write first the 8 what? 8 million. So 8 million it has, yes, excellent. 6 zeros. 8 million plus 0 is useless, this 0. So I'm going to 8, this 8 in the 10,000, so it will be 8 and how many 0? Yes, here we have 80,000 plus 9 in the thousand place, so 9,000. Okay, plus nothing because here we have zeros. Okay, so this number, which is 8 million, I can just write it as 8 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. The other 8 here, it's in which place? Yes, the 10,000 place. It has 4 zeros, so multiplied by 10 to the power of 4, plus the 9 in the thousand place, so it should be multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 because it has 3 zeros. This is called what? This is called expanded form. Okay, this is called expanded form. Okay, after this, if I need to write it as a number name, okay, or he can ask you as well word form, any of these. If he's asking you number name or word form for this number, you can just write it in letters, yes, to write it in words. So write 8 millions 89,000 9,000. Okay, this is about the three forms: standard form, expanded form, number name. Okay, in your book, in guided practice page number 13, write this number 4050 in expanded form. So as we studied here, we have to split it. So the 4 will be multiplied by what? It's in which place? In the thousand place. So it's multiplied by 1000 plus 5, 0, nothing. 5 here in the tens place, so multiplied by 10. If you want to write it as exponent form, so it's going to be 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, plus this one, 5 multiplied by 110 means 10 to the power of 1. Next question, question number 3 and 4. Write the values of the given digits. He wants the values of sevens. We have here 7 and another 7 here. But this 7 here, ones, tens, hundreds, in the hundreds place. So the first 7 here is 700. The other 7 in thousand place. So it's going to be 7,000. Okay? You can make it easier here. How many digits before? 2 digits, so it's 700, 2 zeros. Here, how many digits before this 7 is 1, 2, 3, so just write the 3 zeros. So the answer is 700 and 7,000. Question number 4. The values of 2's. Here we have 2 and here another 2. The first 2 in ones, so it's 2. But the other one is 20 because it's in tens place. Okay. Next question. Write each number in standard form. Okay, in standard form we said expanded form is just to split it, to cut the number. But standard form is to collect it again. So we are going to collect this number. Question number 5. I will collect 8 million plus 300 plus 9. When you add them, I will write 8 in the million place, then 309, but don't forget the thousands. So in the thousands we are going to put a 0, and here in the hundreds place 309. As you see, we put here a 0, okay, because we don't have a tens place. And if you are going to use this chart, it will help you a lot. Why? As you see here, we have 8 million. Okay, so I'm going to the 1 million place and I will write 8. 300, so 3 in the hundreds place. Here 3 hundreds. And 9 means 9 in ones, so I will write 9. The others I should fill it with zeros. Yeah. So you read it 8,309,000. The same for this one. 10 to the power of 4. This is place value. This place value means 4 zeros or 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 10,000 place. So I will write 4 in the 10,000 place. Then 10 to the power of 2 means 2 zeros before, so 2 digits. So this place is the hundreds place, because 6 multiplied by 10 power of 2 means 6 multiplied by 100 means 600. So this is hundreds place, so I will just write 6 in the hundreds place. Here we have nothing, so 0, 0, 0. Let's read the number, put the comma. It's 40,600. 40, yes, thousands and 600. Next one. Here we have 10,000 plus 20 plus 3. He needed in standard form. I will use the chart to be easier. In the 10,000 place I will write 1. What is 10,000? 10,000 here I will write 1. Then 20. 20 means 2 in the tens. Yes, this is 20. And a 3 in the ones, so it's going to be 1 in the 10,000, so I will put here 0 and here 0. Let's read the number now. It's 10,023. 10,023. Yeah, here 0, I forgot it. Is 10,000, comma 23, and don't forget it is 0. Yes. Now next question here. Write each number in expanded form. To write the number in expanded form, as we explained before, to write it, yes, cut it, to split it. So here 5,360, so 5 in the thousand place, so 5 multiplied by 1,000. Or you can write 5,000 plus 3 in the hundreds, so 300, or you can write 3 times 100. And 6 in the tens place, so it's 6 times 10. You can also rewrite this as 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3, since it's a thousands, plus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2, since it's 100, plus 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1. Both of them expanded form, but this expanded form in exponent way. Question number 9, we have here 102 thousandths and 200. As you see, here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. So this one in the 100,000 place, plus 2 in the 1,000 place, times 1,000, plus the other 2 in the hundreds place, this 2, so times 100. Okay, so it can be written as 1 times 10 to the power of, here 5 zeros, so power of 5, plus 2 multiplied by 1000 mean 10 power of 3, plus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2, because it's 2 zeros. Now question number 10, we have 85 millions and 11. So as you see, the 8 should be multiplied by, yes, 10 million. So 10 million here, count just how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it's 10 to the power of 7, plus the 5 multiplied by 10, yes, here the 5 in millions place. If you count how many digits before the 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's 10 to the power of 6, plus 11, here 1 in the tens, so multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, plus the last one is just 1. Okay, so you can write it as 1 and leave it like this, or if you want to write it 10 to the power of 0, because we don't have any, it's ones, so it doesn't have any zeros. Because of this, it's a 10 to the power of 0 if you want to write it, or just write it as 1. Next question. Here we have to write the values of the given digits. Sevens in 6,778. Here 7 and here 7, the first 7 in tens place, so 70, and the other one is 700. The nines, here we have two nines, one of them in the 10,000 and the other 100,000, so this 9 it has 1 2 3 4 zeros, 90,000, because it's in 10,000, and the other one in 100,000, so it's 900,000. Okay, the ones, here we have two ones as well, three ones, oh, three, yeah, so here this one in the hundreds place, so it's 100, another one in the thousand place, so it's 1,000, the third one in the 10,000 place, so it's 10 what? 10,000. Okay. Now, question number 14. Write the number name and expanded form. He's asking for two: number name and expanded form for the number of drivers ants that could be in two colonies. Okay. As you see here, that one of them contains 22 million. He's telling you here that one of them contains 22 million. Since he said two of them, okay, two of them, so we have two, each one has 22 million, so we have 22 million plus 22 million, because we have two, 22 million, okay, plus another 22 million, so it should have what? 44, yes, 44 million. We can just write, because 2 plus 2, as you know, 4, So the first one 4, the second one is 4. So we have 44 million. Okay, what we wrote here is standard form. We need expanded form, so we need to split it. So this 4 will be 4 multiplied by, because here we have millions and 10 millions. So this one in 10 millions, it has how many digits before? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 10 to the power of 7. Plus the other 4 in the millions place, it has 6 zeros. You can write it as 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. Okay, if you root it like this is okay. If also you root it as a 40 million plus 4 million, it's also okay. He wants you to write it as a number name. For number name, you will write 44 millions in words. Yes, like this. You will write 44 millions. Okay. Now the last question. A queen ant can produce about 9 million ants in her lifetime. Write this in standard form. How to write this number? 9 million. Okay, he wants you to write this number. Let me underline it for you. The 9 million in standard form. Just write 9 in the millions place, then write the zeros. Yes, the million has 6 zeros. 9 millions. This is called standard form. By the end of the lesson, I want to thank all of you for watching this video. Hopefully that you understand the lesson. See you in another videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.